In this video, I'll show you how to add an ad account to Facebook Business Manager step by step. Adding your ad account to Business Manager helps you manage campaigns, billing, and team access from one secure place. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings. Then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Accounts. Then select Add Accounts. Now, click the Add button. You'll see three options: Add an ad account, Request access to an ad account, or Create a new ad account. Choose the option that matches your situation. If you already own the ad account, select Add an ad account, enter the ad account ID, and click Add. If the account belongs to another business, choose Request access and enter the ad account ID. After adding the account, assign people or partners who need access and choose the appropriate permissions. Review everything carefully, then click Save. Your ad account will now appear in Business Manager, where you can create campaigns, manage billing, and control user access. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.